So I'm going to be using AI to trade indices on stock adoption. So let's dive right in. So all you have to do for AI trades is it's very simple. So you just have to press AI trade, and AI will determine if it'll go up or down within a specific time frame. So here it doesn't look like this one will win. AI is not 100% accurate. So the purpose of this video is really just to see how accurate AI really is. So uh, ideally, if we can get a 2/3 win rate, that would be really excellent. Okay, so here the payout is only about 67%. So we really do need at least a 2/3 win rate to be profitable on indices here. So let's do this again here. So this says it will go down within the next 30 seconds. Um, okay, and sure enough, it is going down a little bit. So it is looking good. Okay. And I always like to compare the other indicators and everything, just to make sure everything lines up properly. And so far everything does. Perfect. So right now we are profitable. It's really great to see. So now let's head and do another AI trade here. So here I'm a little bit skeptical. I think it might go up a little bit within the next 30 seconds or so. Let's see what AI thinks. AI thinks in the next 10 seconds it'll go up. So it does seem to be going up a little bit. Let's see if it'll go through. And voila, it is profitable. So right now we're at a roughly 3/4 win rate, which is much better than I thought, actually. So let's see if it can sustain a similar win rate. Okay, so let's do another AI trade here. Says it'll go down within the next 30 seconds. That is a little bit surprising. Let's see. So sure enough, it is going down. It's going down quite a bit. Okay, now it's going back up. Let's see. This specific indice is a little bit volatile. So, yeah, let's see what happened. Looks like it's very close. Very, very close. Surely, we do another win rate here. So now we're at a roughly 4/5 win rate. So that's about an 80% win rate. It's really great to see. So even a 4/6 win rate would be good, and that would still be profitable. So let's do another AI trade here. Here I'm not exactly sure what will happen. It's very volatile. It's going up and down, as you see here. There's not really any solid momentum. Our size kind of in the middle here. It's not really overbought, oversold. The super trend indicator is saying it's a sell, but that's not typically very accurate. So I'm very curious to see what AI will think here. So I'll say it says going up within the next 15 or so seconds. Let's see what happens. So now the super trend indicator says buy. Okay, it's a good sign to see. Really good sign. And voila. So now we're at a roughly, what, 5/6 win rate? That's really high, actually. Really, really high. So potentially we might even crack $20 in this video. So we initially started around $15 or so, and now we make an extra $5. It's going to be a huge profit for the day. Imagine if I had $15,000 and I got an extra $5,000 in one day. That would be huge. Okay, so let's do another trade here. Let's see if it'll really get to this $20 mark now. So this one is probably going to be a loss. It's going the opposite direction. Okay, expected. So right now it's a little bit lower of a win rate, but it's still pretty damn good. Let's do another edge right here. Okay, looks like it's going in the right direction. Perfect, perfect. So now we're profitable again. Well, we've been profitable for a little while, so but we're back at the roughly $18 mark from our little dip just now. So now it says in the next 30 seconds it'll go up. So I'm not sure about this. There's nothing really indicating that it will go up, but maybe AI is seeing something that I'm not seeing. Okay, or maybe it's just randomly guessing. Who knows? But here, a little bit skeptical. Seems to be going down a little bit now, but let's see if it'll cross this green line right here. Sure enough, it does not. Okay. So it broke even. That means we did not make a profit or we did not make a loss. So broke even. It was a very close call. Okay. That's going up a lot. Let's see what happened. I think this is going to be a pretty good resistance level. So it'll go up a little bit more potentially. And then after that, it will drop down, decline quite a bit. Let's see what AI thinks. Is it going to be a breakout or is this resistance level holding? Let's see. Okay. So the resistance level seems to have held pretty well. So let's see what AI thinks again. So now it says it'll go up. That's a very unusual. It's very unusual. Because typically you would guess it would go down right after hit the resistance level, right? But AI, sure enough, looks like it was accurate there. So we're at around $20 now almost. So this has been a really great trading session, I think. And overall, the AI trading feature on Pocket Option for indices specifically is fairly accurate, I would say. It's not a scam at all. And although it can be a little bit inaccurate at times, it is fairly accurate. It's more accurate than most professional traders. Okay, so it's really great if you want to do quick scalps. AI trading can help make those quick scalps for you. Okay, so if you want to trade on Pocket Option, you can get 50% off your first deposit when you click this link right here. All you have to do is click this link and you can enter this promo code right here as well for that 50% off your first deposit. And we also offer short-term asset forecasts. So for example, all you have to do is go to this section here, right here, and you can see whether something is going to go up or down within a very specific time frame. For example, the Australian dollar, Japanese yen is expected to go up with an 80% certainty right now in the next roughly 15 minutes. So there's no other tool that does this. This is the only tool that does this. So becoinnet is one of my favorite tools for scalping, for trading. So I recommend going to becoin.net, signing up on Pocket Option, and using Becoin's short-term forecasts. Happy trading.